Embracing excellence in ophthalmology training at Saarland University Medical Center. Given the complexity and delicate nature of eye care, highly skilled ophthalmologists are essential to preserving and restoring vision. The journey to becoming an exceptional ophthalmologist is marked by in-depth training, hands-on experience, and access to cutting-edge resources. At the Saarland University Medical Center in Homburg, Germany, the Department of Ophthalmology offers a residency program that not only meets these criteria, but exceeds them, fostering a nurturing environment where future specialists can thrive. In this video, we explore how this program stands out as an ideal destination for aspiring ophthalmologists, highlighting the key elements that make it attractive for resident doctors. The foundation of the ophthalmology residency at Saarland University Medical Center is the meticulously designed Homburg curriculum. This curriculum is tailored to ensure that each resident gains comprehensive exposure to all aspects of ophthalmology during their training. A standout feature of the curriculum is its structured rotation plan. By rotating through various specialties, including eye bank, surgery, and research, residents develop a broad skill set that prepares them for the diverse challenges they will face as ophthalmologists. This approach enhances clinical competence and also fosters confidence and independence. Interested residents are offered the option to visit other departments of ophthalmology to strengthen a desired subspecialty. The ophthalmology program embraces innovation, incorporating the latest technological advancements. One of the most exciting additions is the virtual reality simulators, which allow residents to practice diagnostic and surgical techniques in a controlled, risk-free environment. This forward-thinking approach ensures that residents are well prepared for modern ophthalmic surgery, making them more competitive. Moreover, the department offers access to wet labs, where residents can practice on pig eyes, providing a tangible hands-on experience. This combination of innovative and traditional training methods equips residents with a comprehensive toolkit of skills. The Homburg program also offers ample opportunities to engage in cutting-edge research. The department actively supports residents in their research, providing resources to help them publish papers and present at conferences. Whether a resident's passion lies in clinical practice, research, or both, the program at Homburg provides the platform and support needed to achieve their goals. Choosing the right residency program is a critical decision for any medical graduate. For those aspiring to become leaders in ophthalmology, the Saarland University Medical Center in Homburg offers an unparalleled training experience. With its structured curriculum, innovative training methods, and strong emphasis on research, the program equips residents with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in their careers. By joining this prestigious program, residents will not only receive top-tier education, but also become part of a community dedicated to shaping the future of ophthalmology.